Hey, Ethan!
What?
I made you a pie.
Really? I want some? That doesn't look like pie.
I made it different.
But that just looks like a pile of whipped cream.
It's not. Smell it.
Really?
Yeah.
Take this!
Ow!
That's what you get! Ugh, I need a shower now.
Aha!
Singing in the shower! Yeah, singing in the shower!
This will show them.
Your skills are awesome and the way better than Coley's.
Oh, he's taking forever.
Singing in the shower!
Oh. I got a good idea.
Singing in the shower! Yeah, my Nerf skills are awesome! Singing in the shower! Singing in the shower! Yeah, singing in the shower! Singing something, singing, yeah. Who wouldn't want to sing on a day? Yeah, singing. Who wouldn't sing on a day? All done. Hey, Coley, what you doing?
Just about to play Shark Toys in the sink.
That's cool.
Why are you acting weird?
Weird? No.
Oh no. with these. Ethan! That's it! Ha ha!
Uh-oh.
Get back here! It's on now! Ha!
Come out of there!
No!
Why don't you show your face?
Oh no!
I'm about to charge in there!
We'll do it!
You asked for this! Oh, I give up.
Yeah, you do. You got wrecked.
I'm not gonna lose this time.
There's the big giant Pikachu.
He thinks he won, but not today.
Get me out of here, Ethan. Out of here. Let's see.
That's good. You won't want to see this.
What?
Man, that's what you get.
I give up.
Hey guys, today's comment of the week comes from Awesome Christian 911. You guys should do Doomlands vs Modulus or anything else. Can I please get a shout out? Well, here's your shout out. Also, thanks for the idea. Okay guys, don't try to do these pranks we did in this video. We had help. Speaking of pranks, what was your favorite prank? Let us know in the comments.
Give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up.
Check out our Facebook page.
And our Instagram page.
Click on our Facebook to subscribe.
And we'll see you all next time.